Welcome to Mosaic Arts Online. I'm Tami Macala. I am excited to teach my course, Small but Mighty. In this course, I'm going to share how I love to work with my favorite material, Mexican smalty, and on a small substrate. You are probably asking, why work small? Sometimes it feels good to finish a project in a few days instead of weeks or months. My mosaic history and portfolio mostly consists of large-scale mosaics I've installed in homes, restaurants, spas, and hospitals. Rarely do I make the time to create my own work, but with these materials and small substrates, I can create something I feel good about and is gratifying in a short period of time. In this course, I will share with you how I make pieces efficiently and still have quality, how they can be made small and still have a large impact, and how they can cost less and still feel like a beautiful piece of craftsmanship. I will start with introducing you to the Easy Frame substrate. This is a great choice, but not a must. I'll share how I cover my substrates with black tinted mortar and create a smooth finish, since I like to leave negative space on my substrates. Once the black tinted mortar has cured, I'll share my favorite tools and why I love Mexican smalty, and especially working with tortilla shapes. You will watch me work in real time as I create a very intentional piece in a space of 6 by 6 inches. This can make a great gift, or you can create a series to hang on a wall or add to your collection to sell at fairs or at maybe even your Etsy store. As I create this entire composition, I will go over the basic art elements, including balance, color, texture, shape, size, and value. Part of working small but mighty is using large, medium, and small pieces. There is nothing wrong with covering a lot of real estate on your substrate with one large piece, and then balancing it with small and medium-sized ones as well. I cover the basic principles of building lines in a small space and how I create movement with specific placement of each piece. This course is intended to give you the confidence to grab a small substrate, your favorite materials, and create a beautiful piece of mosaic art with intention and gratification. Included in this course is a small but detailed list of the suggested tools, materials, and resources. So let's get started creating small.